These 5 plants will help you fight insomnia and purify the air in your home. I really think that most people don't really know the importance of the air quality and how much it can affect your sleep. You should know that the air quality is extremely important for you, especially the air in your bedroom. And we all know that the more plants you have in your house, the fresher the air will be. Just put more plants in your home, and put these plants in your bedroom, and you will notice significant improvement in your sleep and in your mood as well. As we said, you will improve your sleep and get many different health benefits as well, such as improved brain function, improved mood, better sleep, headache relief, less anxiety, reduced stress, better air quality, better smell, cold illness prevention. In this video we are going to show you the top 5 plants, which are the most effective plants in improving your sleep and your mood as well. Lavender. You've probably used this beautiful plant, or you've probably used lavender oil. If you have, then you've probably felt all the health benefits of it. You should know that growing a lavender plant will provide extremely positive effects as well. This magnificent plant can provide many health benefits, such as improve your sleep, reduce anxiety and stress levels, slow your heart rate, improves your brain function, and it may even help reduce crying in little babies. Snake plant. The snake plant is extremely useful for cleaning the air inside your house, day and night. And the best of all is that this plant is very easy to keep alive, and because of its simple green and yellow leaves, the snake plant can fit nicely with any home decor. We can also mention that snake plant is one of the 10 best filtering house plants. The snake plant emits oxygen during the nighttime, making your air fresh and clean, any time of the day. Some studies have also found that this plant can help you avoid eye irritation, respiratory problems, and works as headache relief as well. Jasmine. Jasmine has very nice and sedative smell. Its smell can provide many health benefits, such as improves the sleep quality, reduces stress levels and anxiety, and it also improves the alertness and productivity for the next day. And you should know that just by smelling it, this plant may help you to reduce anxiety and stress. English ivy plant. In a recent study, the English ivy plant was found to be a top quality air purifier. English ivy is very classy, easy to grow, and some studies have shown that this plant can reduce the airborne mold by 94%. This makes it the ideal plant for your bedroom, and it can also help people who suffer from allergies by purifying the air around them. Although English ivy plant is very good in purifying the air, it is very toxic if it's consumed by a human being. So, choose a different air purifying plant if you have small kids or pets in your home. Aloe vera. The ancient Egyptians call this plant of immortality. Aloe vera is one of the best natural plants, with a long list of healing properties. Having an aloe vera plant in your bedroom is also a great idea, after all. During nighttime it emits oxygen, leaving your air fresher at nighttime and better for a more restful sleep. Other good thing about aloe vera is that it doesn't require a lot of attention like some other plants. Aloe vera is on the list of top air purifying plants. This means that you should definitely grow or just buy some of these plants, and keep them in your bedroom. It will improve your sleep significantly and you will feel amazed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share with your friends and family.